Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of September 24th to the 30th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner using this kit from my shop called Happy Fall. These are the washi that I'm going to use and the different tools that I'm going to use as well. So I'm going to start off this week by cutting the bottom washi in half. I haven't done this in a while, so it was a little bit trying to get used to that again. I didn't quite cut it even, but I think it turned out super nice. I also think I need to get a new slice tool because it just didn't cut very good all the way through, so I'll probably have to get one of those again. So I'm just going to put down half of the bottom washi, and then I'm going to put some Simply Gilded washi from the fall pre-sale release that I just got, and it's just like this olive green color, and it's really, really, really pretty. I really wanted to bring in some more of the green into this kit as opposed to the orange because in my last week's spread I used a lot of orange and I really want to use in the green. So this week was definitely a fall type kit. It was very cold outside and it's definitely fall here, so I needed to use a fall kit for this week. So now I'm going to go in and put in all my full boxes. I put up the quote box in the top corner for the sidebar, and I split up that double box for the weekend for the Saturday and the Sunday. I just think it looks good there. I know I did it the previous week, but I really liked it. So then I just staggered my boxes just like I do usually, and I staggered my glitter headers as well over top in just a different pattern. And yeah, so I'm going to go in and do all that really quickly, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that all of the full boxes and glitter headers are down, I just went and put in the top flags from the kit. And now I'm going to go in and put all my date covers using my date squares from my shop. These are the ones I always use, and I just really like them. So I'm just going to go and put those now onto the spread. I really liked these date covers. I thought the floral was just super pretty, and I don't know, I just really liked it. So now we're going to move on to my sidebar. I started off by putting a piece of washi down underneath the quote box. Then I put a half box from the kit to mark my highlight for the week. I haven't filled this in yet, but I'll think of something to put in there yet. And then I put another piece of washi down after that. Continuing the sidebar, I put dinner headers down and a weekly sidebar sticker to mark my different dinners. And I actually remembered to write down my dinners this week, so I actually was able to fill that in on camera, which I don't actually ever do. Then I wanted to put the fashion girl in, so I just put her at the bottom. I'm so sorry you guys can't see this, but I just ended up cutting like half of her body off, and I just really wanted to use her, but I didn't want to get rid of any of the full boxes that were already in the kit, so I just put her at the bottom, and I think it turned out really cute. So I'm just filling in my dinners now. So starting on Monday, I took an appointment label from the kit and layered that with a little alarm clock from the kit to mark that my daughter had piano that morning. Then I took a half box from the kit along with a hair appointment sticker from my shop to mark that my kids had hair appointments this day. My daughter got her hair chopped off and she had like super long hair, like it was down like half her back I think, and we chopped it off till just past the shoulders. It looks so cute. I love it. She kind of looks older. I know, it's so cute. I love it. I just filled in that space between the two boxes with some of that vine washi, and I'm just filling out the time for the hair appointment. Then for the second half of the day, I added a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that I did some printing and cutting. I added some washi to fill in the space, and then I put down a quarter box from the kit, and I took, once again, I took one of those meal plan icons from my shop, and I just cut off the utensil icon from the sticker to mark that I made pizza sauce this day. I was finally able to use up all the tomatoes from my garden, and it just feels so good to have all that done. For Tuesday, I started with a preschool sticker from my shop. I always get excited when I can use the orange colors because I don't often use them, so it's nice when I get to use those up. Then I used another laptop and a work script sticker from my shop to mark printing and cutting, and a green quarter box to mark that I did a bunch of cleaning in the house. So I took a little icon from my cleaning sheet from my shop. It's just like a little bucket with some soap in there to mark the cleaning, and then I took some skinny washi to break that up. For the second half of the week, I used this little guy from Miso Co. She's like on a little laptop. It's really cute, to mark designing. Then I took a quarter box from the kit with a shopping cart icon to mark that I went to Canadian Tire with my husband and kids in the evening. And then for the rest of the evening, I just kind of relaxed and I had tea and just kind of watched YouTube. So I took a coffee icon from my shop to mark that I had tea. For Wednesday, I took a half box from the kit and I took a laptop sticker from my shop to mark that I basically print and cut all day long. I just really wanted to get a bunch of orders out, so I got a lot done. Then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that we dropped off my car. It needed to get some repair work done, and a guy that Jake works with was going to help us with that. Then I took some more of that vine washi just to separate those. I know there wasn't a whole lot of like that dark red in the kit, but I just really thought the colors just kind of went very fall-like, and it was kind of in the plaid, so I really wanted to use it. Then I ended up getting my nails done that evening, and I went with a darker color as you see, so I took a piece of washi from the kit, and I used dark nail polish sticker from my fall bucket list. Then some friends came over and we ended up watching Deadpool, so I took the movie marquee from the kit and to mark that, and just took a little skinny piece of washi from the kit to separate. For Thursday, I started with a preschool sticker from my shop. Just put that down, and it was my kids' picture day this day, so I took the quarter box from the add-on sheet, and I layered that with a picture day sticker from the school events sheet. This is a 2-sheet series, and it's just got a whole bunch of different school events that your kid could have. Then I took a flag from the kit and layered that with a book icon to mark that me and my daughter went to the library in the morning. Then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that I went and visited my mom in the morning, and a coffee icon to mark that me and my daughter went for coffee. She's been begging me to take her on like a little girls' coffee date, and I just love that, so we went while her brother was in school. For the half box that I put down, I added another one of those corgi dog stickers with the laptops from Miso Co to mark that I did a bunch more designing. For Friday, I started with a film icon to mark that I edited my video that day, and a half box from the kit along with a little girl doing some baking from, I'm going to try and pronounce this, I think it's Kaelis Paperie, and she's got this really cute sheet of different activities for baking, and I love this one. I baked brownies that day, so I used that to mark it. Then I just took a little skinny piece of washi from the kit to separate. For the second half of the week, I had a little washi sticker from Coffee Brain Plan's sampler sheet, and I marked that I organized my washi that day. I started redoing my washi sample book, and if you guys want to see something like that, if you're interested for me showing you what I do for my swatches and stuff, just leave that in the comments down below, and I will definitely do a video on that for you guys. Then I added a TV icon from my shop to mark that I watched a lot of YouTube that day. We had a very lazy day on Friday. And then a quarter box to mark that, layered with a game night sticker from my shop to mark that my friends came over and we had games night. I just added my weekend banner at the top, and I took a little teardrop from the add-on sheet to mark that I had breakfast with my mom and dad. This is for the Saturday. And I took a laptop and work script sticker from my shop to mark that I did some cutting and printing. I just adjusted that because I just didn't like the spacing on how it looked, and it just wasn't enough space to add any washi or anything. Then I took a flag from the kit and the eat out sticker to mark that we went out for supper in the evening with my family. And I took a car icon to mark that I went to Walmart. I had to pick up a few things for our gathering the next day. And then I took a quarter box from the kit along with this video game controller to mark that I spent my evening playing The Sims. Moving on to Sunday, I started with a half box and a happy birthday script sticker from my shop along with the balloons from the kit to mark that it was my brother-in-law's birthday. And I wanted to fill in that little space, so I took a skinny piece of washi from the kit. Then I wanted to take a church sticker from my shop to mark that we went to church in the morning. A quarter box after that, layered with a house icon to mark that we had a gathering that evening. It was actually our Thanksgiving gathering, and it was so good. Then I took a thicker piece of washi from the kit and layered that with a plan sticker because I did a whole bunch of planning for the week ahead. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!